Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has just begun, but now I'm gone and thrown it all away. Mama, oh, I didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on the river and 'cause you're all that matters. I love this family community. Appreciate you all. I hope you're having a wonderful evening, and I hope you're enjoying the show. You ready? It's too late. My time has come. Since shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I'm proud to go. We'll leave it all behind and face this truth. Mama, I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I never was born at all. Yes, I love you, family, community. Maria, Michelle, Deborah, Candace, Carol, Allie, Sammy. Appreciate you all. Thank you all. Deborah, Thunder Bay, baby, to Islamabad, baby. Oh, one big happy family community. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you're taking care of every single way, because it's the best Monday ever because of friends like you. I love you all. Hope you enjoyed this 2-part singing extravaganza. At the very least, you're entertained. Love you all.